today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your Jaguar XJ. First, what you want to do is you want to go over to the glove box. You do not need to open it. What you have to do though is you have to go down here and you'll see this panel. There's a tab here and there's a tab here, all the way at the end. What you want to do is you want to just pull down on the fabric gently to release the tab there. Slide your hands over like this, pull down gently, and there's one more tab right here on the right side. And what you want to do, pull it out carefully, and then you go back down over to here. So you can see the filter housing is on the right, up here, this little long door. What you want to do is pull the tab here, pull that down a little bit, come back to the other side. There's another tab back here you can't see. Pull that down, it will come out like this. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our new filter. We're going to inspect it to make sure it's the exact same filter, and then we're going to install it. So you see here on the assembly, it shows you exactly which way the airflow goes. So you want to check on your new filter to see if there's an airflow indicator, which there is. So therefore, if the airflow arrow is pointing up here, you want the arrow to point up like this. And when I upgraded this filter, I wanted to make sure I got a charcoal version of this filter. It actually filters out a lot of contaminating odors, diesel fumes, cigarettes. That's why I wanted to get this one. It's actually really nice. It wasn't that much more expensive. I think this was $15, I believe. You can see how it's black, and that indicates there's actually charcoal inside there that activates when it comes in contact with a foul odor. So we're going to put this new charcoal filter inside this cartridge. All right, so I just installed the new filter. Now what we're going to do is simply just put it back up the exact same way we took it out. See, the assembly is right there. You can see there are also arrows right here that will guide you to make sure you put the cartridge in the right way. And then that's it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to shake this trim piece off, put it back up, put the tabs back in, and then that's it. All right, so I just put it back in. It was actually not that tricky at all. The trim piece actually folds, so it goes back up really easily, and you can easily just guide those pins into there. So that's it, guys. It's pretty simple. I will provide you guys the URL, the website where I got this filter from, in the description box below. I got it from a site called Rock Auto, and I got it for about 15 bucks. It's a very good price for this filter, and it's charcoal, so check out the link below if you guys are interested in getting this version of this filter, or replacement in general. They actually have many other options between a regular one, which is much cheaper, and this charcoal one, which was $15.